Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you step by step. Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix a Coinbase connection issue. It's not something difficult. It's not going to take you a long time, just some few seconds or maybe 1 minute to 2 minutes, and you're going to be able to fix that issue. So now I am going to my phone and I'm going to go now to my browser. And as you can see here, these are the 7 steps that you need to follow in order to fix Coinbase connection issue. So the first thing that you need to do is turn your mobile device off and then back on. And the second step, which is switch from a Wi-Fi network to phone data. So what you need to do in this second step, which is turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your mobile data. Okay, so switch it from Wi-Fi to your mobile data. And then update your device operating system. This can be done through your phone setting, iOS or Android. And the fourth step, which is update your Coinbase mobile app to the current version. And then clear your mobile app cache. You can do this from settings. You just need to go to settings, then you go to general, and then your storage on your iPhone, like you're gonna find it when you're gonna click on general and settings, and then scroll until you find the Coinbase app, and you can clear all the cache. Okay. And then uninstall or reinstall the Coinbase mobile app. And the last step, which is try accessing Coinbase.com through a mobile web browser. Okay, and okay, you can do it also from your laptop if it doesn't work at all, and then you can see if it's gonna work on your laptop. So these are the steps that you need to follow in order to fix that problem. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in future, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.